I've got 7 great websites that you should check out if you're a content creator looking for some helpful resources. And if it's your first time visiting, make sure you subscribe below and ring that bell to make sure you don't miss out on any new content. So let's jump right into these 7 very useful websites. Website 1 is Anchorfm. Anchor lets you record high-quality podcasts and distribute it everywhere, including Apple Podcasts and Google Play Music. It's 100% free, user-friendly way to get started on multiple platforms. Website number 2 is CJ Affiliate, or CJ.com. CJ Affiliate allows you to network with various advertisers by putting together a profile and showing what you offer as a content provider, but then it also allows you to shop various providers. You can sort by different countries. You can sort by different types of products. Shows kinds of leads that you have, what kind of commissions you're working on, notifications. It's basically a way to, if you're looking to get into multiple sponsors or affiliate programs, that's what CJ Affiliate does for you. Website number 3 is Gleam. Gleam allows you to set up promotions and competitions. It's great for drawings, giveaways. You can see what you currently have running, what you have scheduled to come up. You can look through and see your past promotions. They also have a bunch of internal rewards programs that allows you to see. You can capture information from your contestants. Basically, it's a real simple way to set up a giveaway, collect entries from multiple platforms, pick a winner, and then contact that winner. Website number 4 is Lutz. Lutz allows streamers to send text messages that show up live on stream. Basically, incoming text messages are sponsored. They allow the streamers to make money every time a sponsored message comes through. They're 100% free for viewers. The viewer just basically watches some ads, then kind of is able to pass them through, similar to how Twitch has bits set up where you can watch some ads, get bits, and then donate those. You can see how your account is actually performing, any updates that have come through, what kind of revenue you have coming in, performance on your account. You can see all sorts of live statistics. There's past reporting. Like I said, it's just basically a way that you can set up free donations to allow your community to donate to you while streaming or producing content. Website number 4 is PlayerMe. PlayerMe allows you to pull together multiple accounts, have all your content together. You can stream through it through certain streaming services. It's kind of like a mix between Twitter and like gaming forums and account management. You can see a list of different people that you're following, kind of like a Twitter feed, ways to be discovered. You can see any mentions that have come through, any pinned comments that you have. So this is just kind of another way that if you have multiple accounts that you can issue or relay your player.me account, and then that can pull people in. They can kind of see all your information together. Website number 6 is SocialBlade. SocialBlade is a website that pulls together statistics for all your different social media accounts. As you can see, you can link a YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and Instagram accounts. You can have up to 5 each. When you go into the accounts, then you can see the status of the account. You can see various stats based on like where your rankings, revenue. You can see the summaries, future projections to kind of see how long it might take to get to a certain level with your account. There's statistics based that relate to individual accounts. So like for YouTube, you see its subscribers, video views. If you were to go into Twitter, you're going to see followers and tweets. Twitch will have followers, subs, but it's basically a way that you can kind of see how your accounts are doing, and you can compare them to other streamers, other content providers. finally, website number 7 is SocialBluebook. So SocialBluebook allows you to go in and see what kind of value you could put on producing content or paid content for a different advertiser on all the different platforms you have. It doesn't have all platforms. If I remember right, Twitch and Mixer aren't on here, but it can still, you can kind of see based on how you're doing with your other accounts what your time might be worth. You can also create proposals based on different platforms to kind of set up a price scheme for advertisers that are coming in. So those are 7 awesome creator websites. Well, it's not a complete list, so if you've got one that I missed, leave a comment below, and maybe I'll make a video with that in the future. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to make sure that you can keep up on my current content and when I release new videos, and thank you for watching. Hey, thanks for stopping by my channel and watching my video. If you liked what you saw, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can get notified when I release new content. And if you're still interested, please check out the video in the bottom right hand corner to see additional content. Thanks again.